If your home office has hardwood floors, you likely want to keep them in perfect condition. But office chairs can scratch, damage, and wear down your wood floors. Why is that? Well, today I'm going to talk about why office chairs damage your flooring and a simple solution that can help protect them. And you don't even have to buy a brand new office chair. Before I dive into all of the details, here's the quick answer. So the majority of all the office chairs in the market come with one type of office chair wheel. These wheels right here. You've seen them before. They're made of hard plastic material, and it's this material that actually causes damage to your wood floors. This can be easily avoided by replacing these with the right chair wheels. Chair wheels that are specifically designed for hardwood floors. These wheels are coated in polyurethane and will never scratch or damage your hardwood floors. So if you're interested in these wheels that are safe for all floors, just check the link in the description below. All right, so I'll dive into the details a little bit more. So why do office chairs cause damage to your hardwood floors? Well, the problem isn't your chair or how you use it. The problem is the wheels that are attached to your chair. Almost all office chairs come with dual wheel casters. Wheels like these. These hard plastic casters can scratch, damage, and wear out your wood floors. The problem is these hard plastic wheels don't actually have enough grip when moving on a hard surface. So they can actually slide instead of smoothly rolling. So over months or years of use, they will eventually wear out your hardwood floors. Office chair companies almost always use the cheaper plastic material for their chair wheels, regardless of the price of the chair. A $100 office chair will use very similar plastic wheels that a $1,500 chair is using. Even high-end brands like Herman Miller and Steelcase use hard plastic nylon caster wheels. So if your chair has these standard plastic wheels, what do? Well, you can actually just replace these wheels with new wheels that are specifically designed for hardwood floors and hard surfaces. All you have to do is pop the old ones out and push the new ones in. If you want more details on the replacement process, I actually have a full video tutorial on how to do this. So what's the difference between standard wheels and hardwood floor chair wheels? Well, the main difference is the outer wheel material. Instead of using hard nylon plastic, hardwood floor wheels are encased in a soft polyurethane. Polyurethane is a rubber-like material that is extremely durable, but most importantly, it grips hard surfaces so it can never damage, scuff, or scratch hardwood floors. Any office chair wheel that uses polyurethane as an outer material will keep your floor from getting damaged. A popular option today is these type of rollerblade style office chair wheels. These use polyurethane as the outer material. They have a heavy duty support bracket and they roll smoothly on any surface. We've offered these since 2016, and if you're interested, just check the link in the description below. That's it. If you're looking for a way to protect your office flooring from wear and tear, simply swap out your old wheels for a new pair that uses polyurethane as the outer material. And lastly, if you've purchased our chair wheels or any of our products and you have any questions, concerns, or issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our email address is support@theofficeoasis.com. We'll get back to you super quick and help you out with any questions you might have. Thanks.